What's going on, guys? So today we're doing a quick install video on how to do the license plate lights on a Ford Fiesta. Now this is a pretty simple process. As you can see, what I'm doing right now, or what's being done in the video, is that there's a clip on the outer side of the license plate light. There are two for the car, one on the left side, one on the right side, and once you push that clip, the plastic housing is able to come free. From that point on, you will turn the bulb in the housing, or the counterclockwise of the housing, and then you'll have the bulb free from the housing. At that point, you'll be able to pull the old bulb directly out, right? And then you'll be able to install your new bulb. In this case, you'll be using an LED bulb, an LED mini bulb, and the code for this bulb is a 2825 or a 168. You can see that here in this picture. Once you have that bulb ready to go, try your best not to touch the top of it. Ideally, you'd want to be wearing gloves for this install, but if not, just go ahead and push the bulb directly in. You'll notice that once you push it in, it'll be pretty firm. It won't make a click or anything like that, but it'll be firm in place and it won't really move around, and then you'll know you're solid. And in case you're wondering whose hands those are, they're not mine, and you can see me in the corner right here. Now you'll see that the bulb is being put back in again. These are LED bulbs, so they can have a certain polarity. So before you finish your project, turn on the lights and see if the bulbs actually worked. If they didn't work, you probably just have to flip it around and then they'll turn right on. Once you've completed that, put the bulb back into the housing, turn it clockwise to lock it in place, push the bulb housing back in, and it clicks into place. At that point, you're all done, and you now have LED license plate lights for your Ford Fiesta. And in case you're wondering, here's the difference between the original halogen type light and the new LED bulb. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.